In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from Meta Business Suite. If you manage a brand or organization in Meta Business Suite and need to revoke a person's access, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to expect. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in with an account that has the right level of permission, typically a business admin role. Without that, you won't see the options to remove people. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Meta Business Suite. In the results, choose the official Meta link. It should clearly indicate Meta or Facebook's business platform, so you know you're on the legitimate site. Once the site loads, log in using either your Facebook or Instagram credentials that are connected to the business. If you have two-factor authentication on your account, complete that step. It's important to use the same profile that actually has access to the business suite you want to manage, so double-check you're in the correct business if you manage more than one. Inside Meta Business Suite, look to the bottom left of the sidebar and click the Settings gear icon. This opens the central place for all your business controls. The layout can vary slightly over time, but the gear icon in the lower left is the quickest path to the right area. In the Settings view, find the Users section in the left-hand menu, then click People. This page lists everyone who currently has access to your business, along with their roles and assigned assets. Think of it as your roster for the entire business suite. From the list, locate the person you want to remove. You can scroll or use the search field if available. Click their name to open their details pane. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct individual by reviewing their role and any assets shown in their profile. To remove them from the entire portfolio, click Remove in the top right of their details pane and confirm the action. You'll be prompted to finalize the removal. Once confirmed, they will immediately lose access to your business and all connected assets, such as pages, ad accounts, catalogs, and pixels included in that portfolio. If the platform asks you to review affected assets before confirming, that's normal. Just proceed to finish the removal. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Consider any active responsibilities the person may have had, like ad campaign ownership or scheduled content, and ensure your team is ready to take over. After removal, refresh the People page to verify the change. That's it. You've successfully removed someone from Meta Business Suite.